how to create Gemini API key. So first, go to your browser, and then what you need to do is just type in Gemini API key, and then press enter. And then what you need to do is just click on this one, the one that says get a Gemini API key. Then after that, you just need to click on get a Gemini API key in Google AI Studio. Click on this button here. Now after that, you'll be transferred here to this page. You just need to click on I consent, then click on continue. Okay, now from here, just click on create API key. Now it'll start generating API key. Let's just wait for it to load, and there you go. Now you just generated your API key. So you can just copy it and then store it anywhere that's safe and secure. And that's about it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.